Hi all, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and support my channel. In this video, I will show you to configure the Azure AD Sync task. On the Azure AD Sync task, we can configure what all objects should be synced with Azure AD. It can be separate OU, devices only, or users only based on your requirement. Open Azure AD Connect. Click on Configure. Select Customize Synchronization options. On these settings, we can select which all OU need to sync with Azure AD. You need to connect to Azure AD using the Hybrid Administrator account. On the next page, we need to select the directory type. Select Active Directory. Select your forest name, which is main domain name, and click Next. Next page will be Domain and OU filtering. Here we can select which all OU need to be synced to Azure AD. If you select the option Sync All Domain and OU, it will sync all the directories on your Active Directory. I am selected the second option, Sync Selected Domains and OUs. And I will select only OU which need to be synced to Azure AD. Once you selected, click on Next. Next page is Optional Features. Here we can select kind of actions can be due between the Active Directory and the Azure AD. Next page is Microsoft Entra ID Apps. Microsoft Entra ID Apps page controls which application-specific attributes are synchronized from Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID. Once you selected, click Next. Next page will be Microsoft Entra ID Attributes. Here we can select which all attributes need to sync from Active Directory to Azure AD. For example, if you add company address on Active Directory user properties, it will sync and update on user properties in Azure AD. Next is Group Write Back. Like if you create a group in Active Directory, it will sync and show in Azure AD as well, and from both we can manage it. And last page is to configure the settings we selected. Click on Configure. It will take some time to configure all the settings we made. Once the configuration is completed, we will get the page, Configuration Complete, and click Exit. The sync will start from the point we configure it. On the next video, I will show you the process. Hope you like my video. Please support, like, and share.